Setting a financial goal without a timeline is just a wish. A timeline transforms that wish into an actionable plan. But how do you set a timeline that actually works? First, define your when. Is this goal for next year or 5 years from now? Be as specific as possible. Next, break it down. If you need $15,000 in 3 years, that's about $400 a month. This makes a large goal feel manageable. Finally, set milestones. Check your progress every 6 months to stay on track. Setting timelines is just one part of the journey. For more practical guidance on your financial path, visit VaultRiseEcho. Start building your future today. Without a timeline, your brain has nothing concrete to work toward. Now compare that to this. I want to save $2,000 in 6 months. Suddenly the goal becomes real. You can break it down. That's about $333 a month, around $80 a week. A clear, small number you can actually plan around. A timeline turns a vague idea into a step-by-step plan. And small, clear steps are always easier to follow than one big, fuzzy idea. So how do you set a timeline for your own goals? Start with what you want. Be specific. Not save money, but a clear number. Then ask yourself realistically how long it should take. Not too fast that it feels impossible. Not too slow that you lose motivation. Then break it down into months, weeks, or even days. The smaller the steps, the easier it is to stay on track. At VaultRiseEcho, this is exactly the kind of thinking we want to help you build. Simple, clear steps for real financial progress. No confusing terms, no complicated systems. Just practical guidance that actually makes sense. Subscribe to VaultRiseEcho for simple, easy-to-follow personal finance education.